Hey guys, it's Trip. I'm back. Got something new this time. We're going to start a weekly feature called the Feature Flavor Friday, where I'm going to kind of advertise, represent one barbecue rub or one barbecue sauce or a hot sauce every week on Friday. So today we're going to hit up Whiskey Bent Barbecue The Grind. And so what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take a whole spoonful and I'm just going to eat it, and then I'll let you know what I think of it. And I'll do like a little review. There we go. I'm messing around. I don't know what this... awful. What? Wow, I almost died. The rub is fantastic. Maybe a whole spoonful is a little much. You know, it's delicious though. It's got coffee in there, black pepper, salt. Oh God, don't ever take a whole spoonful of rub. Or actually, I dare you to. Go ahead, give it a shot, tag me in it. But I love the grind. It is heavy on the pepper, good salt. It's a finer rub, as you can see. It's a good coffee note in there. And it's my boy Chad Ward, Whiskey Bent makes it. Amazing on brisket, amazing on burgers. I actually put it in my eggs, on my potatoes. I've used it as like a Caesar rimmer. It is pretty magical. The whole taking a spoonful, that was pretty stupid, but that's what the Budweiser's for. But you can buy this, Dixon's Barbecue. My buddy Matt has a store, Backyard Grills, Alberta, in St. Albert. You can order, if you're in the United States, you can order it direct, right through Whiskey Bent on his website. It's amazing, all of his products are great, and we'll be debuting lots of his stuff every week. We'll do a different rub, and week one was the grind, and I think going forward I'm probably going to put a little less on the spoon, but it is delicious. It's good stuff. You got to get some. Thanks guys.